Hi guys, my name is Annie. I hope you all have a great day so far. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm doing DIY sewing. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to see new video every third day. I already showed you two parts, include pant collar jackets and mini skirt with tweed fabric. The main color is blue, but with yellow accents. Then I'm going to pair them with a yellow or dark yellow tint inside. At first, I talk about blouse, but then I would like something is simple and easy to wear. And after all, I decided to make a t-shirt with long sleeves and tall cowl neck. It's super simple and quick to sew. You can easy to follow. I'm sure about that. Okay, let's get started. I picked up the spandex fabric in metals. I love the feeling when I touch it. It's really cool and smooth. Especially, it's super stretchy. Like always, I already made the pattern here. I wrote down the measurement very clear and detailed, and you can adjust with your measurement. I'm going to make a tall cowl neck. Then the collar part is attached to the body of the shirt like this. When sewing, I'll fold it to the wrong side and stitching it at the armhole part. The front side and back side are identical to each other. From the armhole measurement, I'll make the sleeve. You can adjust the length of the bodice and the sleeves as you want. Okay, let's cut our fabric. I'm going to cut 2 pieces for front and also 2 pieces for back side. In total 4 pieces for the bodice. Now I'm starting to connect 2 pieces of front side and 2 pieces of back side together by my serger. My overlocking machine are with 2 needles and 4 threads, but I can't use 1 needle. I had trouble with it. I spent a lot of time to see what happened, and I tried to overlock for another kind of fabric, but it's still nice on them. Then I realized this fabric is too smooth and silky. After all, I decided to still overlocking with 1 needle and 3 threads. Then keep going to sew with sewing machine. And it turned out like this. It's nice and beautiful, right? When I got front side and back side pieces, I'm going to place them on each other with right side together and connect shoulder together by my serger, and then sewing by sewing machine. Then I flip the collar to the wrong side and stitching it into the armhole part by sewing machine. Okay, so I just finished with the tall cowl neck. Now, moving on to the next step. I'm going to connect the sleeve into the armhole by overlocking and sewing. Next, I'm gonna connect both sides together from the end of the sleeve to the bottom of sword. Come here, I'm almost done with this t-shirt. Now, I just fold fabric to the wrong side with 2 cm at the bottom and the end of the sleeve to finish. To making this, I'm going to line up the breast of foot with fabric and stitch in the first line. Next, I just leave the breast of foot and move the fabric to sew in the second stitching at the left side of the first one. And here's the final look. I absolutely love it. I finished all set with 3 parts. Hope you like my sewing tutorial and see you next Thursday. Bye!